Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video. Today in this video I am going to talk about a new Waziper script. It's a modified script. From the last one and a half month there were a lot of issues in the Waziper everyone is facing. The QR code issue was faced twice from the last 2 months, and though we did manage to solve it first time without any issues, but second time when there was a QR code issue and when I solved this and shared the files with everyone, it has a repercussions wherein couple of more modules from Waziper stopped working. Export participant in a group, then campaign was getting stopped, the number was getting disconnected after 2-3 days, the API was giving null response. So these were repercussions. However, so this is a new script, it's a modified script, and the core feature of this script is the buttons are working. Okay, there are a couple of additional features which I am going to explain you now, and couple of interesting additions also in this script which will be useful for your business. So this has a new landing page, so you can see the color combination, the color palettes, the images, everything is different than usual Waziper and stack post. Okay, so this uses the current Waziper feature. There are some modifications which help you support in the business for a long run. Okay, so the very interesting fact about this script is the sign up process. So this is the sign up form. Let me fill up the form and I'll show you how this works. So I have filled up this information. I will write my number. So once the number is placed, there is a button called send OTP. When I click on that, the OTP here, your OTP to validate account on WebBuzz is so and so. I'll simply copy this and paste it here. It is validating the OTP. I'll simply click on accept terms and condition and just click on login. So once you click on login, it will send notification on your email and WhatsApp number both. So if I check my WhatsApp, it says hello Rajan Kumar, activate your account, so and so information, and this has given me a link to activate my account. So I just have to either click on that or just copy and paste it here. Okay, activation successful. When I go here, it has given me one more message. Dear Rajan Kumar, congratulations, you have successfully signed for the services. Okay, now the reason why I am showing you is because when you create a trial package, there are a lot of people who uses the false email address and mobile number. Initially there was no mobile number in Waziper. There were a couple of sites which were using the mobile number in the sign up form, but usually it was only basic information such as email address, first name, last name, and the password. So it was not validating any information unless and until he configures the mail. But this will have a mobile OTP and validation process. So there are less chances of fake people coming on your platform, registering and increasing the load on your server. Okay, so I have a client in Bangalore who was checking the user, and there were about 75 people created login IDs for a trial by putting the email address like admin@gmail.com, admin@admin.com, 123@admin.com, 123@gmail.com. So these were all fake people trying to increase the load on the server. But in this case, this will not happen here. Okay, so this is the home page. Now there is one more interesting part is this has two applications. So there is a button called platform. When I click on that, you will find social media management, which is Waziper, and you will find another application called web push notification that I will explain you in a bit. So this has technically three landing page. So this is the landing page for your website. When I click on social media marketing, this will give another landing page for your Waziper. If I select the second product, which is web publishing notification, this will give us another landing page. So you can choose which landing page to use by default. Okay, So we will go to Waziper and simply log in. Just click on login. I have already logged in, so it will take me to the dashboard. Okay. Here also you will find the drop down where you can switch between the two applications. Now coming back to Waziper, this has some modifications. Okay. So these are the basic features of Waziper. So when I click on WhatsApp, this has got message history, this has got single send message, this has got text encryption, which is not working currently, but I will make it work. Okay. So as I said in the beginning that buttons, poll templates and list messages, these are working absolutely fine, and there is a contact filter also. You can filter your contacts. Okay. So I am not going to explain each and every module in this application. I'm just going to explain the glimpse about this application and the kind of feature it has. Okay. Coming back to call responder is working. When I click on chatbot, it has good chatbot and it is absolutely working fine. So you can see that there are already 25 messages sent using this chatbot, and I have created one chatbot. Now the buttons, when you create buttons and use the buttons in the chatbot, so yes or no, interested, not interested replies, text button replies, they are also working in the chatbot. Okay, so it's a stable application. I have tested this from the last 3-4 days. There is no problem in the campaign is not getting stopped. There is no problem in the API is not giving the null response. The autoresponder is absolutely working fine. The WA name is working in this. The export participant is absolutely working fine in this. So technically this is supposed to be the stable version of Waziper in the market so far, which has got lot of other modules also. Okay. So when you click here and select web push notification, then this will give you the access to the entire new menu. Okay. So for example, composer, welcome notification, campaign schedule, draft, audience creator, manual segregation, set notification, subscribers information, geolocation, then the integration code which you can use it to track in your website. So what does it does? It pushes this is also a SaaS version, and by managing here entirely, it pushes the information on your website, any website, whether it is built on WordPress, whether it is built on HTML, PHP, JavaScript, anything. So this works like for example, I have a website called globaltechhub.in. Okay, it is built on HTML. Now if I want to push notifications on the visitor of the website, I can do this by using this application. Okay, so for example, you are living in Mumbai and you want a special promotion to be created for all the people who are visiting your website from Mumbai location. So that is also possible by using the geolocation module. You can push welcome messages. So whenever visits globaltechhub.in, it will give you the welcome messages. If there is a campaign, if you are providing a certain discount percentage for any festivals in India, you can push that discount code on the website when people visit there. So as I said, I'm not going to explain you the entire features. You know this website name. I want you to just sign up and go through the entire application, and this will give you the correct picture about what kind of a capability this application possesses. Okay, so one thing which I do mention in my every video, that this script is not an update or upgrade for existing Waziper or my existing customer. I am selling this separately. This cannot be upgraded to a existing Waziper website because this has lot of changes in the database. The server file which has the changes in the library. So this will not be a update for your existing website. It has to be a fresh installation. Okay, and the pricing will be high. I'm not giving any leverage to my existing customer or any discount to my existing customer, whether you are my customer from the last 3 years, 4 years, you have to pay the full price of this script and buy it. Whether it is new customer or old customer, I'm not giving any discount. So as far as the price is concerned, I'll just mention the price in the description below. You can go through it. I will share the website details in the description. You can click on that, register, try each and everything. I have made it sure that you will have each and every access in the free trial also, so that there is nothing you can miss. It will have access to the stack push also, web push notifications also, Waziper also. Within Waziper you have access to API, buttons, list, poll message, call responder, autoresponder, chatbot, single send, message history, almost everything. Okay, so I'm going to put the price in the description. I want you to visit the website, test everything. If you like the product, then please get back to me and I will take it ahead. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.